सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। So in this video, we are going to learn what is headless CMS and how we can use this with React or Next.js or Gatsby and why it's useful as well. So basically, headless CMS is something like we can use WordPress as the backend and React or any other library or front-end framework as the front end. Basically, you can see that when we say headless, it means that we are decoupling the head. The front end is going to be decoupled and going to be coupled with something else. So that's the basically headless mean. So when we say headless CMS, we decouple the front end from the CMS and attach someone else CMS, someone else front end with it. So it's the best way when the main target is speed, and it's also best when you have to manage the data easily, because we can manage the data easily on the WordPress backend and we can use APIs, REST APIs to fetch that data on the front end. So we can even use the benefits of uh, management software and as well as the front end as well. So let's have some look what tools do you need. One thing is that we need custom field, advanced custom field. Um, this one, this plugin is basically used for creating the CF fields that in which we are going to populate the data, and then we are going to fetch the data from those fields as well. So this is one. One is this SCF to REST API. This is basically used when we are going to have REST API. But in case if we are going to have GraphQL, then we need the GraphQL plugin, that is WP GraphQL. So this plugin is basically used for when we want to fetch the data through GraphQL. So we also need one more plugin, that is WP GraphQL with for advanced custom fields. So by default, the advanced custom fields are not visible in WP GraphQL. We need this one more plugin with it. So these are the three plugins. If you want to build your own custom post type, then you need custom post UI as well. So these are the four plugins that are basically used in the WordPress to fetch those data. So once these are plugins are installed, you can pull the REST APIs and all those stuff, and then you can make it working as well. On the front end, if we are going to use React, then we have to use React API. Either we can use Fetch or Zeus, whatever the API that is going to be used. Well, we can utilize those API for this purpose. So this is an easy way where we have just have to manage the data and we have just have to fetch and we can use any framework with it. So that's all for a small intro of headless CMS. In next video we are going to check like how we can set up everything. In the next video I'm going to set up everything on the WordPress, and then I'm going to fetch the data on the front end as well. Thank you so much.